For example, we have no plural of July. We cannot say Julys. We cannot say mornings. We cannot say 8 p.m.s. We cannot say 2010s. So we should use since with these words. In today's lecture, we will eradicate the confusion of preposition since and for. Its usage as a time references in perfect continuous tense will also be discussed. I will give enough examples and at the end I will show you a trick which will be very useful to eradicate the confusion while using since and for. So stick with the video till the end. Hello everyone, this is Fazal Rabi. Welcome to my YouTube English learning channel where we use since. Since should be used when we have pointed time. When we have point of time, it is necessary that it will be a fixed time. For example, July is the pointed time in a year. 8 p.m. is the pointed time of the day. Morning is also a pointed time of a day. Other examples are since morning, since evening, since afternoon, since midnight, since Friday, since yesterday, since 2 p.m., since 13 February, since June, since mid of August, since 1999, since I resigned. So if you look at all these examples, these all are the fixed time. Now come to the preposition for. For should be used for a period of time. It shows the length of a time. For example, for 30 minutes. Which one 30 minutes? 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in afternoon. Which one 30 minutes? So it is the period of time, it is not the pointed time. For 10 seconds. Which one 10 seconds? I don't know, but it is the period of time. Other examples, for 2 days. Which one 2 days? So it is the period of time. For 1 month. Which one month? We have no idea. For 2 years. Which one years? We have no idea. For 2 decades. Which one decades? The last one, the previous one, or the decades in the previous century. For 3 hours. Which one hours of the day? Similar are for 2 weeks, for 3 months, for some days. So the main difference between the usage of since and for, since should be used for the pointed time, the fixed time, but for should be used for the length of a time. तमाम 12 टेंसेस का कॉन्सेप्ट समझने के लिए मेरी वीडियो ज़रूर देख लें, जिससे आप इंतहाई इंटरेस्टिंग और आसान तरीके से तमाम टेंसेस की बुनियाद सीख सकते हो, हमेशा याद रहने की गारंटी के साथ, वो भी सिर्फ 10 मिनट में। वीडियो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। Now come to the trick which I have observed useful for the students. For should be used with that time which can be converted into plurals. For example, month can be converted into months. So we should use for with month. 1 month or 2 months. Day, days. So we should use for with day because day can be converted into plural, which is days. Minute can also be converted into minutes. Year can also be converted into years. So whenever a word can be converted into plural, we have to use for with it. On the other hand, those words which cannot be converted into plural, we have to use since with it. For example, we have no plural of July. We cannot say Julys. We cannot say mornings. We cannot say 8 p.m.s. We cannot say 2010s. So we should use since with these words. So it is very simple. Whenever a word can be converted into plural, we have to use with it for and if it cannot be converted into plural, we should use since. Hope this trick will help you. If you have any question, please ask it in the comments box. If you like the video, please share it with your nears and dears.